Morning, Arman. Fucking hell, it's 11 o'clock still here.
What the?
This is us job.
Yes, sitting down in it.
It's 11 o'clock
On
and
pavement,
still not
pavement.
start. Yeah.
What the?
But you take the break, homeless people. It's better I will do my bed here. Fucking hell. Yeah.
Lovely weather.
Yeah. I'll do my bed here. Fucking hell. I sleep here. Fucking hell. Yes, Arman.
Yeah.
Very big homeless. The bus coming? Huh?
No.
No, it's not the boss. Sorry. It's good that they go, money's coming. Fuck, you know, I don't give a fuck. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God! You want to? You can sleep if you want.
Yeah.